See you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty, you deserve it.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and welcome back to my channel. First things first, I look bad. My hair looks horrible. It sweated out. It just didn't last or whatever. But yeah, today I am finally back, not with the hair video for once. I am back within, finally y'all, I am back, and it's not with a hair video. This video has nothing to do with hair. Clearly, you guys already know by the title. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys me unboxing my Pinchme box, and I'm going to show you guys all the goodies I get. But before we even get into the box, well, you guys see, I didn't open it yet. I got it today. I was feeling to open it, but I was like, no, let me do it on camera so you guys can see my reaction and stuff. But okay, before I get into the video, I'm going to read you guys exactly what Pinchme is. Okay, so basically, Pinchme lets members discover and try free samples from the world's leading brand. It's 100% free products and free shipping. No credit card is required. I was choking for the longest. I was trying to talk without coughing. All we ask is for your honest feedback on the products. Every month on Sample Tuesday at noon. Generally, this is like the second Tuesday of each month. New samples are released on Pinchme for members to claim. So in your box, you can get many different things such as beauty, snacks, baby, pet, personal care, cleaning products, and household items. I believe I had a Pinchme video before, if I'm not mistaken. This sounds too familiar. But yeah, this service is also available to everyone in the US. So let me now open my Pinchme box. I'm so excited. Okay. Am I just like weak? Oh, why didn't I just do that before? I don't know. Ooh, I'm so excited. Alright, so before I even open the box, y'all. Well, let me get the box out first. Like, oh my god. I don't feel like getting up to get scissors, so I'm gonna have to break through this. This is some heavy duty tape. Okay, I think I'm gonna just have to get it. Okay, no, I'm not. I'm gonna slide the paper off. Y'all, that's how lazy I am. I don't feel like getting up. And this is the, you guys rarely see me sitting down in video. My hair just looks so bad. You guys rarely see me sitting down in my videos, so for once I just want to stay seated. So we're gonna go ahead and do a thumbnail for Pinchme. Okay, those was all ugly. Okay, so time to open me box. Time to open my box. More tape? Oh my god. Why y'all doing this? There's more tape on this. Okay. Yeah. Woo! Okay, so first things first. You guys know how long I don't wear makeup. You guys know I don't wear makeup, right? But I be wanting to wear makeup, but then I be feeling like when I get home, I have nothing to take it off with, because I don't like just taking my makeup off with a towel. I'd rather like take it off with this and then cleanse my face and then take the rest off with the towel for the areas that I did not get yet. So first things first, I get Neutrogena what the heck just happened? I get makeup wipes from Neutrogena, and I used to always use these wipes. And then you get Pinchme card. Basically it tells you how Pinchme works and stuff like that, and they got all their social medias you can follow them on. Then I get a card. I'm gonna open this up last just because I don't know, I'm gonna open it. So then I get ultra clean wipes, which kills 99% bacteria, which is good. I will definitely leave these in my car because I need wipes in my car. I don't have no type of like wet wipes in my car. I don't know where this stuff is coming from. Okay, next I get, what is this? What? Yo, they bless you. Oh my god. Smooth, radiant skin in 2 minutes. So basically what this is alpha beta extra strength daily pill. This helps smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture. I want to open one, but I don't want to open one and waste it. So you got 1, which is exfoliate and smooth, and 2, which is anti-aging neutralizer. I'm jacking it. It's called peeling. I'm going to do a review on this. I'm going to do a video on this. This looks fun. I never did this before. I'm going to do a video on this. How to use it. Oh, the instructions was on the thing. I can't even see it. Yeah, I'm going to definitely use this. Sorry, I had to read it. I'm going to use this. This will come in handy. Next, I get real mayonnaise. Alright, tell me if I'm bugging, but I feel like they got 2 different types of mayonnaise. They have like the real one and then the knockoff one. I feel like the Heinz is the real one, if I'm not mistaken. The knockoff ones taste so weird to me. Like, I just can't eat it. I can't eat it. But I feel like this is the real one. So, at least they sent the real one. Next, I got cookie squares baked in France. Oh my god, I got snacks from France. I got snacks from France. They gave me 4. I want to taste it. I want to taste it. I want to taste it. Let's taste it. Ah, it smells like OD chocolate. I can't bite with my braces. Oh, it's not bad. It's actually good. It tastes like, you guys ever had shortbread? I think that's what it's called. It tastes like shortbread cookies. Okay. Next I have is Band-Aids. Yo. You can never go wrong with Band-Aids. I definitely needed Band-Aids. And this is the waterproof one. So this honestly just came in handy. OD. And I'm going to leave this also in my car. So yeah, I had to go back to the snack. This is good. This is good. I'm going to come back for my last one after. Okay. So next I got some Ombre Sheer Physical Defense. And I'm guessing this is, it says protect and preserve. So I'm guessing this is sunblock. Yeah, this is sunblock. I don't really need this, but I don't really need this because I actually want to get dark. I love getting tans, y'all. And last, oh my god. I needed this. But I didn't know what to call this. Like, I didn't know what to go looking for. Y'all, so the other day, I had on Converses. And I don't know if this only happens to me, but I feel like Converses are so uncomfortable. To the point where, like, the back of my heel rubs against the back of the sneaker, and it makes it so uncomfortable when I walk. Like, my feet start hurting. So basically what this is, this protects and cushions blisters, stays in place, provides optimum cushion for rubbing and pressure, and this is what I need. Fits like second skin. I want to open it and see how it looks. And you get 5 in here. How do I open this? I got it.
Bro, I showed you the...
Go ahead and close the door so I can't even finish. So, this is how it looks. Oh, wait, I can't show you guys. Oh, shoot. I'm weak. It there looks like skin, y'all. It there looks like skin. It there look like skin. I'm going to show y'all. Hold on. Without taking the whole thing off. Look, it looks like skin. This looks like my skin. But now, I really need those with my Converses, and then the heels I wear, not the heels, the flats I wear to church. And last but not least, I got more France snacks that I'm going to keep and eat. Last but not least, I got some native deodorant. And I hope, I have Hyperdro. Oh, this is coconut and vanilla. I got some native deodorant, and this is coconut and vanilla. Ooh, this smells mad good. Is this deodorant? It says deodorant, Ariel. But I don't think this could be deodorant. That was dumb. I put that crap on my arm just now. Y'all, look how it looks. It looks sparkly. Can you see that? I ain't gonna waste my time with that. But it looks sparkly. It smells good. Coconut and vanilla. That's basically how your box would look the second of every month. The second Tuesday of every month. I feel like any sample they pick out for you, you're gonna need them. Because honestly, all them samples in there, I honestly needed. I really did need. So, last but not least, it's this Just Because Minis. Isn't this a card? I'm gonna open it and take it out. And it says, this is a paper hug. Sweet inside for surprise. Whew. Surprise makes me nervous. Like, that word surprise is making me so nervous. Okay, so when I open it up, what are these? What are these? Just Because mini cards. I get save $2 when you purchase one Hallmark card. And I need that because Father's Day is coming up. So, I'm going to use this. Definitely going to use this. Yes, I'm going to use this because Father's Day is coming up. Aw, these little cards are so cute. Oh, it's really mini cards. Oh, this one says good luck today. I'm rooting for you. This one says ugh, ugh. Sorry, life's a little messy right now. That is too cute. The next one says, you're on my mind today, with this cute little kitten in the front. And it says, and in my heart, I'm going to give this to nobody. And it says, how are you so awesome? Seriously, how? These cards are cute. I'm not giving those away. I'm keeping them for my dang self. I'm not giving those cards away. But y'all, I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to Pinchme for reaching out to me to do this video. Like I said, guys, it's totally free to sign up. You don't need no credit card. Who just texted me? But honestly, y'all, like I said, this is totally free. You don't need no credit card. You don't need no nothing. It's free shipping. And it's the second Tuesday of every month. You get to pick out your hang good samples. And like I said, all these samples you're gonna need, like, honestly, throughout your daily life. Like, no joke. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video on the road to 36K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for nothing.